My name is Rob Orth. I'm the Director of Social Services with the Salvation Army here in Ventura. So I remember, in the course of action, all of a sudden, Mission Ventura was born. What does that mean? What are they doing? And I remember meeting I think it was Pastor Jim at the time was the first connect that I had. And he was telling me what you guys were up to. And he was wondering what I was up to and how did that blend. And he was excited because this is our mission, is to reach the community. And what he said was, we got to figure out what the community needs. What a great thing to do, because so often we go into a neighborhood, a country, saying, hey, have we got something for you? We're going to drill you a well. No, we already have 3. We're going to bring Bibles, so we got plenty of them. We've got lots of clothes. Well, we really don't wear that many clothes, depending on the environment and where it is. And so here you're coming from out of state into a community that has lots of churches. Well, what's different about Mission Ventura? A lot. In the short time that Mission Ventura has been in our community, it's been amazing to watch and see what has happened with a group saying, okay, how can we come in here and how can we help? We don't want to step on toes. We don't want to do what's already been going on. What does that look like going forward and for the strategic plan of our church and the people that we're raising up for Christ to have an impact for Jesus? So then last couple of weeks, your church was able to host an emergency shelter. What an amazing thing to do. And all of a sudden, within 48 hours, through a call from the county to Stephen, to me, hey, how are we going to make this work? We get in touch with St. Vincent de Paul, and all of a sudden all these partnerships coming together, saying where's it going to flood and what are we going to do about it and how can the church play a role? And boom, in the door we go, air mattresses everywhere, subway being passed out, 50 people all of a sudden in an impromptu emergency shelter happens at Mission Ventura. At the right place, at the right time, with the right people, the right volunteers, those pieces coming together, the heart of God in the middle of it, and the testimony that has become for our community. It speaks to the city council of this community, the value of the church that it brings to the table. I remember one of the staff people at the city, not on the city council, but city staff said, I cannot believe the church is doing this. Because your church was born with an external focus, it makes it easier for your church because it was born on an external focus. Churches that weren't born that way, it's tougher because you're changing a dynamic of a church that's been more in-focused. You guys are looking out the windows, which gives you a head start. And how do we keep you looking out the windows? Because it's real easy to start looking in the windows because we do. He's like, okay, we're good, we're open and we're going. Now we got to worry about internally. Yes, but there's that external thing that God is always calling us to. There's always more people who are poor. There's always more people that are going to be homeless. They come from all kinds of sources. So we have to keep that in-out focus going. And I think Mission's got a great mix of that going on right now. We've been able, myself personally and the different ministries and agencies I've been involved with. I can think of Tender Life Maternity Home. There's been a partnership with Mission and Tender Life, which I was the director of for a while. Here, the Salvation Army, there's an obvious relationship going on there. With Project Understanding, there was a relationship going on there. It's just been an amazing blessing having Mission Church as part of the mix. And in some instances leading the way on what does it look like to be externally focused, to get Christians out into the community, not because they're Christians, but because we're called to be out into the community.